Ladies and gentlemen, it is really pleasure, right, to feel the fresh air and see green forest along the road. In this globalization, forest has become a really important thing. But unfortunately, there are still people who don't realize the importance of forests. Even they say it without noticing the impact. Indonesia has a 1,080 million hectares of forest, and the most is in Kalimantan Island. This is the second largest forest in the world after Brazil. Unfortunately, the deforestation case in Indonesia got the first place in the world. Based on the sale of World Forest 2007, 1.8 million hectares of forest in Indonesia lost every year, and the amount is always increasing. Imagine if this is a continued more than 200 years, our will be no more. The first cause of deforestation is illegal logging. Indonesia has forests that are rich in diversity of population types, but currently Indonesia is the most endangered forest in the world due to illegal logging. About 70 until 75% of the wood failed illegally. From this result in many things such as: one is loss of soil fertility, which is caused by the soil absorbing too much sunlight, so that the soil becomes very dry and arid. 2. Decrease of water research. Due to the lack of trees, which contribute to maintain the water cycle in which trees absorb water which then flows into leaves and finally evaporates, so that it released into the atmosphere. 3 is biodiversity is lost because about 100 animal species are declining every day due to illegal logging. 4 is resulting of flooding because the function as an absorber and storm of water in large quantities has been deforested, causing stagnant water and flooding to flow into residential area. 5 is the occurrence of global warming, because trees also play a role in storing carbon dioxide. When deforestation occurs, many trees are cut down and burned, resulting in the release of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if this already happened continuously, what could we do? What could we give to our child? Very miserable, right? So what could we do to save our forests? Actually, there are so many things to do to save our forests. Even simple things in our life actually could be clean if done in large scale. First, we could plant some trees. One single tree could produce 14,000 of oxygen and become habitat for several living things. For the lodger, they sought to selective logging and replant the forest by reforestation. After all, we hope that the deforestation in Indonesia could be prevented. Forest has given a lot of things for us, so we could take care of forest. We will save the forest if not us. Thank you.